Okay, ready? We're gonna add a new proposal. And so I'm going to my constituent, Meredith Levine, going to proposal tab, going to proposal. Gonna click enter new proposal. Our proposal is 50th anniversary campaign, and your purpose is 50th anniversary. Your campaign is going to be 50th anniversary. Your fund auto populates there. Whoever your solicitor is for me, you're going to put them in. Put it as Lisa Baker. And you're going to ask me for a gazillion dollars, but we're going to put that in later. We don't have a deadline yet. Our status is wherever we are, you've already identified me. So number one, that's not going to be a thing. You could be qualifying me if you're taking me to your group and you're saying, or your campaign steering committee, and say, looking at a number of potential prospects and saying, what do we think? Did Meredith have a liquidation event in the last year? Do we know that she's inherited a ton of money? Do we know that she sold a business? Do we think that she just lost everything? What do we know? So that's where we are right now, and that will change to solicitation. We don't have a reason yet. We don't have a type of gift. We don't know how we're giving it. You can say about the day that you're reading it. Let's say that you take it in front of your campaign steering committee or your prospect committee, and they determine that this is $1 million ask. So we are going to ask for 1 million. We don't have to put expected or funded yet. We obviously don't know that. We can put in the date of the meeting. So the date of the meeting will be the 31st. We don't know when. And we can say, hook whatever actions you're taking, whether there's a meeting, whether there's a letter being sent, whether there's, whatever's happening, a phone call, and you can hook those here. And then any attributes, like previously we had our phases in here where we were sort of before which phase you're in. And then we have your role within the campaign, whether you're on the gift, you're on the steering committee, or you're on the board. And then the date that you do those. And then this is where you'd keep any notes about it, like only talk to Meredith, never talk to her husband. She's the one who makes the decisions. She's the one who makes the gifts. She handles all the philanthropic giving. Or never talk to Meredith, always talk to the husband. And so that is how we will save that. And then going back through here, we've got our actions as far as stewardship, and you can hook those. And then when Meredith does make a gift, you can say, oh, this gift is actually supposed to be hooked to the proposal. This is part of her gift. So we're going to go ahead and say, we're going to link it here and say, okay, this is her gift that, I've already given, but this is where it is. And we can apply that. Different campaign. No, we're not going to update the proposal. Okay, but that's the amount funded. Good. All right. And of course, as you move people through your campaigns, you're going to move them to solicitation, and then you're going to get your meetings on the board. That's that.